Welcome! The Eldorado SELPAs are proud to support our partners with tools and resources that make your work easier and more effective. This video is part of our ongoing effort to provide clear guidance and training on key topics in special education. To explore additional learning opportunities, scan the QR code at the bottom of your screen to browse our professional learning catalog. Let's get started.
From the Pending Student page, click on the student record icon and select CalPAD Student. Find and remove the date of initial referral. Remove the person initiating the referral. Remove the date district received parent consent. And remove the date of initial IEP meeting. Remove the meeting types. Remove the special education meeting date. And remove the education plan type by selecting the field Select 1. Click Save.
Thank you for spending time with us today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss further updates, tutorials, or trainings. On behalf of the Eldorado SELPAs, thank you for your continued partnership and for the work you do to support students with disabilities every day.